Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy Nate, back at it again with another vlog. It's a beautiful day here in Northern Cali today. It's alright. So today I got something to fix on the G. So as many as you know, it's a common problem. The tail lights out of nowhere just stopped working. I realized that yesterday. Thank God I didn't get pulled over. But it's a simple fix. I'm gonna show you guys how to take care of that real quick right now. Kind of loud. All right, let's get this bitch in the driveway. Oh, yep, no scrape left. I'm on 19s now, and I raised up the car a little bit. I got tired of driving so damn low. So go ahead and pop your hood. So I'm gonna turn them on, and as you can see, the lights all come on. I don't know why they look greenish, but they're actually regular headlights. Which means the rear ones should be on as well, but as you can see, they're not on at all. My brake lights do work. So I'm gonna show you guys real fast how to fix this. Go ahead and pop your hoods. And I'm an idiot. I forgot I gave someone a jump yesterday and I didn't put that back. And it's all dirty, so don't pay attention to that. So we're gonna have to remove the battery, so I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Before I begin, little disclaimer. I am not a mechanic. This is my house. I do things how I want. This is my car. I work on it the way I want. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic, so work at your own risk. He has a clip right here, over here, over here. I'm not sure if it has one here, but mine's don't have any at all because I hate those damn things. So just go ahead and pop this off. And there's the thing. Don't mind all these wires. So we're gonna have to loosen this up. I think it's a 10mm. I'll confirm that right now and then take the connectors off. All right, so it is a 10mm. So just go ahead and take this little thing out. Put that set to the side. I think these are 10mm as well. Yep. So this should all be 10mm. Go ahead and wiggle this out, set it aside, wiggle this one out, set it aside. Don't mind these wires, this is just my car because I got some shit wired up to it. But all right guys, so I think you might not have to do all that. If you could just remove this plastic cover, you should be able to get to it. I'm gonna check right now though. So this is it. As you can see right there, it says tail lamp. That's the fuse you're gonna want to replace. So let me check this out real quick. Has a clip down there. I think mine's broken. Ugh. Down there has a little clip. Should have one probably on both sides, but should pull right up. And then it says it's that one. So it's gonna be that first 10 right there. Come in here, grab it, pull. So if this thing isn't burnt, then I probably have a much more serious problem. But as you can see, it's burnt. So let's go ahead and replace this with a new one, and we should be ready to go. I got a 15. It's the only one I could find here laying around. I would recommend putting back a 10 though, just in case. nice and carefully. Boom. And then now all the lights should work, so let's give it a try. And boom, boom. As you can see, they're all back in working condition. So simple fix, guys, just so you guys know and you guys don't have to go through the headache of figuring out what's wrong with it. So then when you're done, just go ahead and just cover back in. It should clip in, but since my clips are broken, that's what happens. It just sits there. Then you want to go ahead and put this back in. As you can see, that little clip right there has to go slide under the glass like that, and then that sits right there. There. So it's all good. And then you put in your pins back in there. Like I said, I don't have mine. So, and then just pop this back in place. And then put your pins back in there. I don't know what that is. And then just go ahead and replace this. And then put your battery cover back on so nobody sees that ugly mess like mine. Boom. And there you have it, folks. So yeah, I think the 03 model is a little different when it comes to this plastic and stuff, but for the most part it should be the same for the coupe, for the sedans. That's the way to fix the tail lights if they ever stop working out of nowhere. There you guys have it. That's how you do that. Put your tools away. Pop your trunk. Put your tools away in the garage, or in my case, in my personal garage. My tools, my girlfriend's shit, don't look at that. And there you guys have it. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I got this boy here. He's just been sitting there and watching. Supervising. Oh. So yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys ever have any questions, whatever. Comment below. And we'll see you guys in the next vlog.